Today I want to show you quickly 3 things we can find on this site. This is drigpanchang.com. This site has so many different things that professional astrologer can use, and we use it a lot. Because it's so complicated and sometimes we can get confused, I just want to show you just a few different things. And I have to apologize for my voice. I don't have my microphone with me, but I really want to record this video. So first, our horoscope. Let's take a look. This is free website, but you can also get a paid version, of course, if you want. Now, from home, we'll go to astrology utilities. And on this page, we can find our calculator, how to calculate our sign. In your workshop workbook, I will show you how to do it in a different website, another one that's very popular and very high quality. But this is just an option. If you want, you can also do it here and compare. Let's come back. What we're looking for. Drigpanchang has really good horoscope. But when you look up your horoscope, you need to know your moon sign. And again, in the workshop, we calculated our moon sign. For example, my moon sign is Sagittarius. So here we have a link to horoscope for each sign. Ta-da! Here's my Sagittarius. Also, in the workbook, you have a list of names for each sign, because here, as you can see, they're all in not in English, not what we used to. Just to make it easier, you do have numbers and names in English. I'm clicking on Sagittarius, and make sure you have your location right also. Every time you look something up on this site, make sure you have your set your location right, because a lot of things that has to do with calendar will change depends on location. So here's our daily horoscope. Weekly. Here's your predictions. Monthly. For a while, I did not know that they actually had those horoscopes, but once I start using them, for me, it works every time. It's very accurate and it helps me to kind of be sometimes alert or pay more attention to my day. Next, second thing, I want you to know how to find your calendar. So we go to Panchang and month Panchang. Here we have calendar for whole months. This is July. Again, make sure you have your location set up. What I'm looking for in this calendar is for full moon. Here's a sign or like symbol for full moon. Here's new moon or Amavasya, dark moon, and here's our Sankranti. That those 3 days I always put on my calendar. Next, you have a link in your workbook to this page, and this page will show us all Sankranti dates. Now, of course, when we go in the depth learn about Sankranti, we know more about what it actually means and why it's different every month. But all I need you to know and have those Sankranti days and just put them on your calendar. Normally I take yearly calendar and I mark every month all Sankrantis, all new moon, all full moon, and even my kids know what they can or cannot do on those days, or they kind of paying attention. And again, you want to make sure your location is set up. This is for 2023. You can go to 2024. And here's your list. This is it. This is all I want to show you today. How to find your horoscope based on your moon sign, how to find calendar and a list of full moon, new moon, Amavasya, and Sankranti, and how to find a list of Sankranti days. This is it, and I'll see you next time.